Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're getting creative in this video and using pens to create amazing projects with Cricut. I won't be using Cricut pens in this video, rather pens that I bought from Temu. I'll also be using a beautiful metallic and white pen along with pen adapters, which you can also find on Temu or Amazon. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. For my first project, I wanted to create a thank you card on navy blue colored cardstock, and I used a pen adapter for this and a white ballpoint pen. You can find these adapters on Temu or Amazon. The recipe card is one of my favorites because you can place them up on your fridge for quick use. For this project, I used plain cardstock and pens. For the bookmark, I used a heavy black cardstock. I think it's about 300 GSM, a wider adapter, and a silver metallic marker. My Cricut did have a hard time cutting this cardstock, so I had to go over it with a scissor. I love how it came out, and it's a fun way to customize bookmarks. I love how these pantry labels came out, and I used matte sticker paper for this. You don't need print and cut, only sticker paper and your Cricut pens. These are great for organization and labeling stationery and pantry items. I decided to use bold colors for these flashcards. These are phonics that I use with different colored pens and cardstock. I used glue tape to stick the phonics to the backing, which is the colored cardstock. You can make the phonics thicker if you'd like something bolder. Another popular one is drawing coloring pages. These are a lot of fun and great to keep the kids busy. I used white cardstock and my Cricut pen. Greeting cards are one of the more common things to do with your Cricut, and pens can make them more customized. I used craft paper and cardstock and glued the hearts onto the card. I did decide to write on the inside of the card with my Cricut, but that's a little more complicated and I won't be covering that in this video. I made some gift tags that were inspired from Pinterest, also using cardstock and pens, and this time I used my scoring stylus too. These fold over in the front, and it's a cute tag to write a small custom message on the inside.